Can you imagine living just minutes from shopping, dining, and the best Northern Virginia hotspots? At 8321 Maplewood Drive, you get it all. A new 2024 A Builder Colonial Craftsman in the conveniently located Yorkshire Acres community of Manassas, Virginia. Here, you're minutes from shopping, dining, and recreation, with quick access to Route 28 and I-66 for an easy commute to Washington, D.C., and Northern Virginia hotspots. This beautiful 2,664 square foot home offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a modern open layout designed for comfort and functionality. Enjoy a kitchen that flows into the heart of the home, and durable stone and vinyl siding, central air, and bright, inviting spaces throughout. With a large garage, private lot, and high-quality finishes, this move-and-ready home combines modern living with a prime location. Do not miss the opportunity to make this your home. For more information or to schedule a private tour, call me today at 703-474-5578. Your dream home is waiting.